So I finally covered with resin. Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm in my Barbie kitchen, but I'm not doing pink food cooking. Sorry if I disappointed you. I'm doing a little DIY today. Yay! Still yay, right? So remember, I was still working on my Barbie kitchen floor tiles, and today I'm finally finishing it. So it's almost the same process as my last DIY video, but I told you I still wanted to show you whole process. So even with the similar video, I need to post, and I just want to show you how I've been working on this. Okay, again, cup, resin, hardener. I'm getting used to it, you know. I think so. For it. Let's mix. Mix for 1 minute. Yay! Think it's clear enough. Let's pour this over my floor, starting from this side. Okay, I'm finished with one, but I just noticed I'm not having the heat gun. Oh my gosh. Hold on. And I'm seeing some weird hair. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now here, this way. Working on this one. Okay, I'm ready. Remember, this side is lower, so I want to fill from this side first. Now I need to let them dry for 8 hours. At least 8 hours. So next morning. Good night. It's been almost 24 hours. So let's check them out. Yep. Now it's hard. Looking pretty good, I think. Yep, very glossy. Looks really clean. Here is one more. And I still have several more to go. So I finally repainted and put more Barbie sketches on rest of tiles I haven't done. So now I can finally cover with resin on whole thing. Another Barbie here, Miss Honey and her bed. And another Barbie there. And also here. the pink dress with white purse. And for others, like half of the tiles, you see, I will just leave it blank, but still cover with resin. Yeah, I'm finally finishing here. Oh my gosh, it took forever. But finally. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do it. For this amount, I can cover 2 square feet. I am pouring it. And by the way, I already have my heat gun ready. Ta-da! So I finally covered with resin all tiles here. Wow! So far they look so good. I'm so excited. Yeah, so now I need to let them dry for at least 8 hours and they will get hard. And I know some parts of silicone doesn't look that good, but for those silicone, I'm thinking to redo later. I might fix some silicone later, but for now, I think I'm done with these Barbie kitchen floor tiles. Wow, don't you love this? I've never seen this cute kitchen tiles. It's totally one of a kind, special, so Barbie, lovely. Yeah, I just love these a lot. These tiles gonna make me even happier when I'm in the kitchen for my pink food cooking. Yay! I'm so happy. You know what I'm thinking about my next DIY idea? I wanna start working on my inside of my fridge. Yeah, that's my next DIY idea. I really wanna work on hidden area this year. So yep, that's gonna be my next idea inside of my fridge. Barbie fridge. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.